What's important to us is the quality of experience for all people within Grant Thornton. My name is Carlo DeFazio. I'm the Technology Officer here at Grant Thornton. Grant Thornton is an Australian accounting firm across 6 states. We have 110 meeting rooms with about 70 video conferencing rooms nationally. Mission, our statement is reach for remarkable. We want the experience, whether you're in a meeting room or virtually coming in via Teams, to be as natural as possible. And that's where the X50s, X30s and the G7500s came into play. Some of the biggest challenges that we faced was the complexity within the room systems that we currently have. Switching out Microsoft Teams room systems from a Windows-based version to an Android-based system. The product's given us the ability to upgrade and migrate our rooms from an older style VC unit to a Teams-based system quickly, cost-effectively, as well as give a unified experience across the country, irrelevant of whether they're working from a cafe, remotely from home or within the offices. And that's what technology is all about. It's bringing people together as easily and as efficiently as possible.
My name is Paul Baker. I'm a client executive at Generation E. We're all about enabling our customers to simply, securely and sustainably meet, collaborate and share. We made a recommendation to Grant Thornton for the Poly Studio X series based on conversations where we uncovered different requirements. A lot of it was focusing around that transition from Skype for Business to Microsoft Teams rooms to help Grant Thornton be self-sufficient in some of the deployment work, and then also looking to fit within a budget and uplift that user experience within and outside of the meeting rooms. People need to speak to people, right? So making those connections is super important in building relationships, new and existing, and just obviously working within a trusting relationship. So people want to do business with people they trust.